Modeling clay OmNom. Take green clay and make a ball of it. Flatten this ball on one side. Now let's make OmNom mouth. Make it using a stick. Now, let's create OmNom eyes. For this, take two identical pieces of white clay and make two balls. Flatten them and make oval-like form. Attach eyes to OmNom body. Make pupils of black clay and attach them to the white ovals. Create teeth of small white balls of clay. Give them a triangular form and fix to the upper part of OmNom mouth. Make OmNom feet of 4 similar balls of green clay. Give them a rectangular-like form. Make back feet a bit longer than the front ones. Then, fix the feet to the body. Then create OmNom tail and fix it above the eyes. So, our OmNom is ready! Subscribe to our channel and get new tutorials on how to make simple and lovely clay miniatures.